Welcome to the PO Tracker, our solution for managing purchase orders with accuracy, visibility, and control. PO Tracker is designed to simplify the entire purchase order lifecycle, from creation and approval to tracking and completion. This is the login page. Each user enters their assigned login ID and password to log in. Below that, we have the Company drop-down menu. This allows users to select the correct company or department they're working with. Once all the information is filled in, users simply click the Login button to access the PO Tracker application. Once you've logged in the system, you will be presented with the main menu. Now let's take a look at the Order List page. This page gives users a complete overview of all purchase orders, along with powerful filtering and management options. At the top of the screen, we have the Filter panel, which allows users to search for specific orders based on multiple criteria. Users can refine their results using fields such as Date Range, using the From and To fields, Agent POL, the agent at the port of loading, shipper and consignee, buying agent, agent POD, the agent at the port of discharge, invoice number, PO number, status and pending filters, and an option to sort the results. These filters make it easy to quickly locate the exact order you're looking for, even when managing large volumes of POs. Action buttons. On the right side, you'll find a set of action buttons. Search to apply the filters and display matching orders. Tracking to view shipment or cargo tracking details. Change PO status to update the status of selected POs. Excel to export results into an Excel file for reporting. History to view past actions or changes made to a PO. These tools help streamline both daily operations and reporting tasks. Below the filters, we have the Order List table, which displays all search results. Each row represents a single purchase order and includes key information such as UID, status and cargo status date, agent POL and POD, shipper and consignee, buying agent, invoice number and PO number, style, color, package count, PCS and CBM, POL and POD details. Important dates such as BKD, POR, CFS, FCR, and more. Users can also edit orders directly using the Edit icon beside each record. At the bottom, you'll find pagination controls that allow users to navigate through multiple pages of records, making it easy to manage large datasets. Order Entry page. Now, let's move on to the Order Entry page, where users can create and update purchase orders. This page is designed to capture all the essential details related to a shipment, making sure that every order is accurately recorded and fully traceable. Below the party details, we have the main purchase order information: invoice number, PO number, style number, color, contract number, description, which is a detailed text box for entering item specifications or shipment notes. These fields help identify the specific goods associated with the PO. On the right side, we have all the cargo-related fields, such as cargo ready date, boarding 1, boarding 2, in-stock 1, in-stock 2, packages, net weight, gross weight, CBM or cubic meter volume, HS code for customs classification, cargo status, displayed in a large text field for status updates or notes. Towards the bottom right, we have the transportation fields. Transport way, sea, air, or other applicable modes. POL, or port of loading. POD, or port of discharge. Again, each has a lookup button for easy selection. At the bottom left, you'll notice the current status of the order, such as reported. This helps users immediately see the order's current workflow position. Shipment planning. The shipment planning module is where we convert purchase orders into actual shipments. Once POs are approved, we need to plan how they will move, what vessel, which week, which port, and with which agents. This screen helps the operations team create shipment plans and assign purchase orders to those plans. Shipment planning offers several operational benefits. It centralizes all shipment details. It creates a one-to-many mapping. One shipment can contain many POs. It improves visibility and coordination between agents and consignees. It helps management monitor workload by week, vessel, and agent. It eliminates manual follow-ups and reduces errors. This screen is where the operations team actually creates a shipment plan and assigns purchase orders to it. POs are created and approved in the PO management module. The operations team opens this screen to create a shipment plan. They fill the top portion with vessel, voyage, agents, ETD, etc. Using search, they select which POs should go into this shipment. Assigned POs appear in the bottom grid. As the cargo moves, statuses in the bottom grid are updated. The shipment plan becomes a live, trackable record until final delivery.